Welcome to your own YouTube channel, My English Portal. Today we are going to talk about something that almost every Indian has tasted, many love deeply, and some cannot imagine breakfast without. This is not just a dish, it is a story. This is the story of sambar. When we hear the word sambar, we think of hot idlis, crispy dosas, steaming rice, and that comforting aroma of spices and lentils. But very few people know that sambar was not just created in a kitchen, it was born out of an accident, a shortage, and a moment of creativity. Let us go back in time. This story of sambar takes us to the royal kitchens of Tanjavur in present-day Tamil Nadu during the Maratha rule. The ruler at that time was Shivaji's son, Sambhaji Maharaj, also known as Sambhaji Raje. One day, the royal kitchen was preparing food for the king. Traditionally, a lentil dish called amti was cooked using kokum or tamarind for sourness. But that day, there was a problem. The kitchen had run out of kokum. The cooks were worried. Serving incomplete food to the king was unthinkable. So they improvised. Instead of kokum, they added tamarind. To make the dish richer and more filling, they added vegetables. To balance the flavors, they used local spices, mustard seeds, curry leaves, and asafoetida. What came out of the pot was something completely new. When the king tasted it, he loved it. And since this dish was created during the reign of Sambhaji Maharaj, it came to be known as sambar, later spelt as sambar. What started as a kitchen mistake slowly became a legacy. Over time, sambar traveled far beyond royal kitchens. It entered homes, temples, street stalls, and festival feasts. Every region made it its own. In Tamil Nadu, sambar became lighter and vegetable-rich. In Karnataka, it turned slightly sweeter. In Andhra Pradesh, it became spicier and bolder. In Kerala, coconut found its way into some versions. One dish, many identities. But the soul remained the same. At its heart, sambar is about balance. Protein from lentils, nutrition from vegetables, depth from spices, comfort from warmth. It is not just food, it is everyday philosophy on a plate. Sambar teaches us something subtle. You do not need perfection to create something meaningful. Sometimes a missing ingredient forces innovation. Sometimes a problem creates a tradition. Today, sambar is more than a side dish. It is breakfast in the south, lunch at home, prasadam in temples, and comfort food for millions living away from home. From royal kitchens to railway platforms, from clay pots to pressure cookers, from tradition to daily life, sambar has quietly traveled centuries, carrying stories, flavors, and memories. So the next time you dip an idli into sambar, remember this. You are not just eating lentils and vegetables, you are tasting history, accident, creativity, and culture all in one bowl. If you enjoyed this story and love learning the hidden stories behind everyday words and food, like the video, share it, and subscribe to My English Portal. Keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you.